Hello everyone, my name is Mattia Maggioli, and today I'm joined again by Bagari, who has developed this integration POC between Forcepoint CASB and Microsoft Azure Sentinel. This POC enables customers of Forcepoint CASB to export all logs through the SIEM tool provided by CASB, to have the logs transformed and forwarded into Azure Sentinel, but only the logs that match a number of filters that the user can define in our own integration package. And Lo, your turn.
Okay, thank you very much. And basically we have two agents. The first agent is semi-tool, and the second one is log analytic agent. So the syslog proxy will try to build a pipeline between semi-tools and the sysanalytic agent. So the semi-tools pulls the events from Forcepoint CASB and export them to the syslog daemon, and then the syslog daemon is listen to the incoming logs, and if any income logs is CAF log, it will forward it to the log analytic agent. And as well, we can apply filters to limit the amount of logs we want to send.
So with this design, the user can host the syslog proxy either on a virtual machine on premise or also on a machine running on Azure.
Yeah. First, we have to connect our agent with the Azure Sentinel. So the type of connector we're gonna choose is the common event format. And from here, all we need to copy this link. And that's the installation folder, and we have in here semi-tool, and as well we have a TrustStore file. So first thing we have to do in here, we have to add the settings, which are the configuration file. This is the date from when we can pull the events from CASB, and if we need to add more filters, we can add in here.
Okay, so this integration package provides a way to filter events that the user wants to send to Azure Sentinel, but also a way to filter out events that are unwanted. So those that match the exclude filter will not be sent to Azure.
Exactly.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, after the installation is done, we can go back to Sentinel, and you can see the events that have been received. And as well, we have some malicious events recorded in here. So what we can do in here as well, we can make our workbooks. For example, we have created one.
So the integration package already provides an example of a workbook for the user.
There's some templates, yeah.
Okay.
Now we are in the workbook. For example, I have added some queries. The first query is trying to find out if one user try to log in from multiple IP addresses. For example, this user tried to log in 6 times, and it failed in 6 and succeeded in 0.
Okay.
And the other query, this one is just shows the number of the failed login for each user. And in here is the top 5 users who they have a lot of event generated by them.
Okay, and again, these are just examples of queries for the workbooks, just to show customers the value of using workbooks to correlate events or aggregate events that have been sent from CASB.
Yeah, exactly.
So what if the user wants to change the filters that were configured when the integration was deployed the first time? Is it possible to do changes, and what does it take in order to make them effective?
If you want to change any configuration, all you have to do to add the setting file. So you can apply your filters in here, or even change the date, whatever you want. And once we added our file, for next time when the server starts to run, it will read all this configuration freshly and it will start.
Okay, so there's no need to do anything manual except changing the configuration parameters, and the service will pick them up at the next run.
Exactly, yeah.
Fantastic. So just a quick recap of this integration POC. This integration enables customers of Forcepoint CASB to have selected logs exported automatically and in real time into Azure Sentinel, and also provides a way to correlate and aggregate those logs using workbooks inside Azure Sentinel, so that any other log that is fed into Azure Sentinel can be correlated, and those information can generate filtered value once they are stored into Azure Sentinel. So thanks a lot, Lo, for this work.
Thank you.
And stay tuned for more episodes.